Once word got out that I was touring Ireland, the offers started rolling in. Well, one offer. To appear on the longest-running Irish-language soap opera, Ros na Rún.
This is Mháirt?
Mháirt.
And you've been working here at, am I saying it correctly, Ros na Rún?
Ros na Rún.
Ros na Rún, and that means Valley of Secrets.
Valley of Secrets.
So there's a lot of intrigue and stuff that goes on this soap opera, this drama series, is that right?
There is, yeah. It's a place you might not want to live. It's lovely, but there is a lot of murder, crime, affairs, and things like that.
So everyone speaks Irish on this show, and really this is part of a cultural effort to bring Irish back. I've noticed that in Ireland, they'll have the sign in English and also in Irish, which is beautiful.
Yeah.
It is not an easy language, this Irish language.
It's not, but we'll see how you do today. You get a little bit of help, you'll be fine.
Quickly, I looked at the script, and I've been assigned I'm just a delivery man.
You are.
Why didn't I get a role where I'm a sexy man who's come to town and has maybe an affair?
No harm, Conan, but we have to be true to life as well. You know, it is a soap. Delivery man, we thought was a great fit.
So you thought it was impossible for me to play a sexy man? Is that what you're saying?
Look, you make it as sexy as you want, but also it is so portraying real life. So delivery man, I think, is a great fit.
Let me ask you a quick question. Let's say Colin Farrell showed up to play a part. Would you make him?
Sexy delivery man.
Is it my age? You can say it. It's just I'm a little
we're
old.
not ageist here.
You're not ageist.
No.
It's just my face, basically.
It's not. It's just a good fit. It's a nice little scene. We think you're going to do great.
You've crushed me. You crushed my
We
feelings.
have to be real.
No, we don't. We could put some Vaseline on the lens, make me look a little better, you know?
We don't have that much time.
Oh, I'm back home where I belong. Kevin, thank you so much. You're going to help me learn the language today. You're going to be holding my cue cards.
What we've done today is we've written out in a way that we think will help people of an English language background.
So what you did is, this is for an idiot. You made this for an idiot.
For beginners.
For beginners.
That's very nice. Thank you both. Okay. Gia Gwitch.
Gia Gwitch.
Gia Gwitch. How's that?
That's pretty good, yeah.
Ingrid.
Arrogid.
Ga Caid Euro.
That was pretty good.
Ni ven egg ir afanukt sabal sho ein nos.
There we go.
Great.
Right?
Brilliant.
There's a great danger that while we're making this, you will fall in love with me. I'm saying it's something that does.
Sure, Conan. I'll fall in love with you if we shoot the scene in 40 minutes. There might be a chance.